Be able to eat. Boom. Who got that? The knots. It. Well, well, well. Well, hello there, my little chickadees. I'm getting ready to cook some homemade chicken noodle soup, y'all. I've already cut up 3 stalks of celery, as you can see. I got my cream of celery. I got my cream of chicken. I got 2 cans of the cream of chicken. I gotta get my soup base. Hold on. Let me get my soup base out. My soup base and my bouillon. There we go. Okay, I got soup base and I got bouillon cubes. About 2 or 3. And I'm getting ready to cut the chicken up, y'all. I've already had my chicken marinating for a few days, and I use white meat chicken, the chicken breast. Ooh, I wish y'all could smell it. Look, it's already seasoned. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me bring it in a little bit closer. Y'all see? It's already seasoned. So I'm getting ready to cut it up into bite-sized chunks for my soup. And getting ready to get this on. I got my extra wide egg noodles because I'm making a big pot. And I'm fixing bowls of soup to share out. So, y'all just hold up. It ain't gonna take me but a little bit to get my meat cut up. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me move this bag over here. Put it right there. I can reach and get it. Now maybe you all can see. I'm cutting the chicken up into chunks. Gotta have a lot of chicken because I got a lot of noodles and they're extra wide, so you know they absorb all the fluids. So y'all just bear with me. Gotta get my meat cut up. Yeah, and Brownie over there just starting to leave me alone, squeaking. I just fed him twice. I will be showing y'all Brownie after a while, as soon as I can get through cutting up my meat right here. I hope y'all can see it. Call myself angling my camera. Ooh, this knife sharp. I want to cut my finger while I'm cutting the chicken. That wouldn't be good at all. Cutting the chunks up. Y'all, how everybody been doing through these holidays? I hope all is well. Merry belated Christmas and New Year's coming up. So Happy New Year to everybody. And so I think I'll put this up. New Year's, New Year's. We made it to see another year, y'all. I sure miss y'all. I miss doing Family Feud. And by the way, I am moving to coastal Mississippi next year. Be down there with my daughter and my grandkids. I have ailments, and so I get into that detail when the time is right. What's going on? So y'all, but until then, I'm study cooking. I got a lot of chicken to cut up. I got a lot of soup to make. How you doing? I am extravagant minimalist. Michelle Hedden, J.W. Lewis, Let me see who I'm leaving out. Melody, how you doing? Hold on. Gypsy Rose, or Love Catching Blessings. Who else I'm leaving out? Put your mind to it. And Dexter doing all. How y'all doing? Let me see. Who all? Y'all, my mind ain't right. You know, I'm still half sleepy. I went down Miss Jackson's house. Miss Jackson had cooked some greens and some ribs and some lasagna. And boy, I done ate and got full and lazy all over again from Christmas and the holidays. You pick up 12 pounds during the doggone holidays. I'm going to try to drop them back off though. So, yeah, I don't have a tester here, so I'm going to have to wait until I can get a tester here and let them test my soup out and let me know how it is. Yeah, like I say, I cut a lot of meat because I'm making a big pot of soup. I got one more after this one to cut up. I don't know how many it is, but it'll be enough pieces for it to be a spoonful in every bite. Yeah, I miss y'all. I know I miss calling out some names. Terry Jones, Rico Suave. Hadn't seen him in a while. But 55 and alive. Seattle girl. I know it's been a while, y'all, since I've been on here, but things happen in life and you just have to roll with the punches. And I could take a bad hand and turn it into a winning poker hand, if you catch my drift. So, y'all, I'm almost through cutting up the chicken. Then I'm going to put my soup base in. I got my water in the pot already. And show y'all how I make this here chicken noodle soup. It's a friend's recipe, but I add a few other things to it. So, yeah. Chicken noodle soup is good for the winter time, y'all. If you get a cold, you feed your cold. If you're feeling bad, just get you some chicken noodle soup. But I like mine with cornbread, so of course I'm going to be making some homemade cornbread. So y'all can just stay tuned for that as well. Chicken chunks, y'all. Chicken chunks. Oh, I'm sorry, I got quiet. I got busy and I got quiet. My bad, y'all. Y'all hear me cutting this chicken up. All right, last one. Then I'm going to wash my hands. Then I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do next. All right, y'all. Here's my cut up chicken chunks, y'all. Can you see that? Ooh, can you see it? All that's chicken breast. So just give me a minute. Let me wash my hands and get everything cleaned up. Be right back. All right, everybody. I'm getting ready to start my chicken soup. First off, I'm putting in my chicken base. So got a little in there. I'll use that up. Okay, y'all, I got 3 bouillon cubes. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm putting my chicken in to boil. I gotta get a spoon. That's 1 can of creamy chicken. I told y'all I'm semi-homemade at times. So this is 1 can of the Campbell's creamy chicken. This is the 2nd can. And I'm not promoting this. This is just what I use. I know a lot of people can't stand that noise. I apologize, but gotta try to get it all out of here. Then I use a 1/2 can of the cream of celery. 1/2 can. Okay, got that in there. Then y'all, I'll take my 3 bell pepper stalks and I put that in. Then I get me a spoon, which I have to do right now, y'all. I get me a spoon. Then I stir in the ingredients. One other thing I do, y'all. I take 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Well, this is 3 tablespoons. And I drop it in there. Then I put the top on and let it work its magic, y'all. So I'll be showing y'all what else I'm doing today. So just hold on, Cletus, I'm coming. Alright everybody, I'm getting ready to pour in my egg noodles. My chicken uncooked, celery uncooked. So I'm getting ready to pour in my egg noodles. 1 bag of the extra wide egg noodles, y'all. 1 bag of them. Then I'm gonna put the top on it to fry down a little bit. And wait on that to get ready, so I'm getting ready to make my cornbread, y'all. So, hold on. Alright, my little chickadees. I done got through cooking my homemade chicken noodle soup and some cornbread. Now, if y'all like this video, y'all make sure y'all hit them thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. And here we go. There's the cornbread. And a whole big pot of chicken noodle soup, y'all. So, y'all, until the next video, see y'all!